Are you ready to journal with me? I'm Kiana Martin from the Primary Caregiver, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do your caregiver planner setup in Notability. So in order to set up the caregiver journal on Notability, first we need to head over to my Etsy shop, Wellness by Kiana. I'll leave that in the description for this video and a link to it. And so we're going to go ahead and purchase the Family Caregiver Planner right here. It gives you a description. It's a 102-page planner that includes the cover as well as the table of contents page. So you're going to go ahead and download that. It's a PDF, a digital PDF file. Okay, so once you have the Caregiver Journal downloaded to your computer, and I'm going to do the tutorial today as if you are using the journal on Notability on your laptop. Go ahead and go over to the website for Notability. And then on the homepage, you're going to notice it says Notability is free to use. Go ahead and select Get App and register for an account. You're going to be able to use the digital caregiver journal in Notability for free. Now, if you want to use more advanced features, you can pay for an upgraded subscription, but you don't have to. You can use the digital caregiver journal for free in the standard Notability app. Now, I already have a Notability account, so I'm going to show you how you can import the caregiver journal PDF into your newly created Notability account. So you're going to go up to File, select File, and then you'll go down to Import, and it's going to give you options. You can select to pull the PDF from your files if you have it saved there. Otherwise, if you have it saved to Dropbox or Google Drive or OneDrive, you can select the PDF file from there. Once you do that, it is going to automatically populate on your screen under the All Notes. Now, a couple of things I want you to take a quick look at now that you have the digital journal in the Notability platform. Over to the far right-hand side, you're going to see what looks like a stack of papers or kind of cards. You're going to click on that, and you're going to notice it is going to open the entire digital journal, and you can scroll through it there, all 102 pages. Okay. Also, if you go ahead and select this second page from the sidebar, that's your Caregiver Journal table of contents. Now you can do a couple of things from this page. All of the tabs are hyperlinked. All of the table of contents is hyperlinked. And how you can select those is if you go up here to the option bar, which I am pulling down really quickly for you. If you see this finger right here, you click on that. That is going to allow you to be able to click all over the guide when that is highlighted. Okay, so let's go back over to patient overview. Now, this is the initial page that you're going to fill out the information for your loved one. Now, the reason why I created this caregiver journal and why it will be useful for you as a caregiver, whether you are just now becoming a caregiver for your loved one or you've been in it for a while, is that you're going to be able to save a lot of time and stress in having all of your loved one's information in one place. Let's go back to the table of contents to let me show you why. So yes, you have the monthly calendars where you can input information that's going on throughout the month, and as well as break that down into weekly planners and things like that. But some of the important things in addition to that is that you have healthcare provider listings. So anything from having a place where you could put all the contact information for the medical personnel that serve your loved one, you can have that information in there. Some of the different physicians, they're not necessarily a part of the, for instance, hospital portals that perhaps are affiliated with your loved one's insurance. And so it's really important to have all of the account information to be able to look up their appointments and all of those digital aspects that allow your loved one to be able to connect with their healthcare provider, have all of that information in one place. Also, you have a section for prescriptions and supplements and vitamins so that you know what your loved one's taking daily, how often they should be taking it, and you don't have to keep all of this information on pieces of paper, and all of those things can be mentally draining when you're trying to maintain all of their information in addition to living your own life. If you're taking care of other people like, kids and other people, spouses, it can just become overwhelming. So this caregiving journal, when you are supporting a loved one in their health journey, medical situation, you're able to have in one place a digital copy of all the information that you need. Oftentimes, if you are interacting with your parents, they may have different systems of keeping up with information that are outdated. They may not be technologically proficient. And so it can hinder you in being able to get things done. And so if you have all of this information in one place, you'll be able to save time, once again, and stress, and taking care of all the invisible administrative tasks that you have to do, in addition to the physical task and the time spent with your loved one. Can you believe the Caregiver Journal setup was that easy? If you would like to participate in more tutorials with the Caregiver Journal and Notability, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will be showing you how to input text on the pages if you are new to Notability, particularly if you're using Notability on your laptop or desktop. We can go through that in the follow-up video. And additionally, if you want more tools to be able to lessen your caregiver stress and avoid burnout, make sure to click the link for the Primary Caregiver AI Toolbox. There are 6 powerful AI tools that you can use to help you with invisible labor, everything from knowing the questions to ask during upcoming doctor's visits to understanding better the medication that your loved one has been prescribed, also to learning how to quickly set up meal plans for your loved one's special dietary needs. Once again, be well, take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.